As in any other role in UGC content creation, I feel it is also important to batch your tasks as well. And the reason why it is so important is because we want to avoid the burnout. We want to stay creative. We don't want to get overwhelmed and we want to protect ourselves. So batching the tasks always work. And if you don't know what I'm talking about separating and dedicating the time of the day to do one particular task. So, for example, you dedicate Monday 5 p.m. for only sending your collaboration requests, your pitches to XYZ brands, right? And the next day, let's say you dedicate for filming 3 UGC videos for brand X, Y, and Z as well. And the day after, you dedicate for editing only. I feel like separating tasks and kind of doing everything in batch helps you to do everything faster and more efficiently. And I feel like every single one of us have a different system, perhaps how we do our tasks, how we complete them, how we track their progress, etc. But in my case, I use Notion, and I'm gonna have a video showcasing how to use Notion, what is it used for, etc. But it basically helps me to schedule my content for my social media accounts and also track the progress of the tasks that I have to do, that I have to work on, the to-do list, and everything else that I have in mind. But it's super individual and you can use any other platform of your choice. Maybe you're already using something that works for you. Maybe you want to use, I don't know, Google Calendar and that works for you. Or maybe you're just gonna use your notes and that's gonna be for you. Or maybe you're gonna remember everything and that's gonna work for you. So it's very individual, but I think you should consider this aspect beforehand as well. I feel like what also helps me, let's say answering emails or even creating emails for the brands, is having the templates as well. Of course, I'm going to customize it. I'm going to personalize it based to the brand that I'm outreaching to, but having a kind of structure, some sort of structure, some sort of wording helps me save so much time. So I would recommend doing it as well. Then when it comes to editing, I also have my own style. I also have my own fonts that I usually use if the brand hasn't asked me to use some specific ones, let's say. I also have my script writing kind of structure. So I always do hook, body, conclusion. That also helps me to stay on top of things. And I also have my favorite hooks that I can use for any industry as well. I'm also going to share them with you too. So these very small things, when you think about it, helps you to save so much time. And I would recommend considering them before you start and considering any other aspects that could be useful for you to save some time in the long run.